Trifactor is a self-service data preparation solution that enables data professionals to take large, unstructured, complex datasets and easily transform and clean them into structured formats ready for analysis. This happens to be a very compelling solution to augment the value of SAS and other predictive modeling technologies. If you've invested in SAS, you already know that machine learning algorithms have to consume as many variables as possible to learn and validate the models before they can deliver value. As a result, the accuracy of a predictive model can only be as good as the data that feeds the model. For this reason, most SAS users spend the majority of their time cleaning and blending disparate data to get as many clean variables as possible for creating their models. The reality is that 80% of the machine learning work goes towards data preparation. But what if you could drastically reduce the janitorial work of cleaning data to focus on the real business benefits of predictive modeling and optimize your SAS investments? If you consider the way data preparation is done within SAS, it looks like these long programs where one has to write and run code, correct any bugs, load the results into some temporary data structure, and iterate and improve the code over and over to deliver the proper result. And this is not to mention that these long programs have to be maintained and shared between multiple users. Now, considering that the volume of data is exploding and the structure of data is becoming more complex, it becomes harder and takes way more time to write these programs. This is not the best use of SAS professionals' time. Let's now take a look at why SAS professionals are adopting Trifactor to spend up to 90% less time preparing their data compared to SAS code. So I'm excited to show you a preview of some of the things Trifactor can do and how its features range from a clear design to suggestions that help you enrich your data in seconds to a validation system along multiple dimensions. You can take structured and unstructured data from disparate inputs such as databases, weblogs, JSONs and Excel documents and load them into Trifactor, which will convert them automatically into a readable format presented in a clear grid. So when it comes to restructuring and cleaning your data in Trifactor, it's incredibly easy to see where work needs to be done. Columns with mismatched and missing values are indicated so you can identify irregularities in your data. Using SAS, you would require hundreds of lines of code to discover this. Trifactor's visual aspect allows you to discover exactly what is in your data, which could be from viewing a summary of your data values to identifying outliers to comparing figures on a month-by-month basis. Trifactor also analyzes each column to identify specific patterns across all values. It gives you additional signals about the data and guides you to normalize the data into proper values. Trifactor also has predictive transformation built in, so every click, drag or selection leads to intelligent suggestions that allow you to do more with your data and faster. You can see here that every interaction with the data brings up suggestions on the right-hand side of the screen that can be implemented with just a click. As you are growing your project, Trifactor offers a visual representation of your overall data flow. This lineage is particularly useful to schedule the flows on a regular basis and offer an audit trail to the regulators. Once you're ready to validate your data, running your job is a click away, and Trifactor makes it super easy to visualize your validations along multiple dimensions. Data quality and possible consistency issues are shown on a global level, and when you're satisfied with what you see, exporting your results can be done in just a few seconds. If you're interested in learning more, click the button on screen to view our SAS brief. Thanks for watching.